Hi dear Gemini, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading from 22nd of Feb till 28th of Feb, basically for next week. So we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. Okay, so your partner's energy right now is the devil. Okay, so maybe they are dealing with a third party situation, or don't leave it. Okay, or they are obsessed with you, heavily obsessed with you. They are spying on you. They are like feeling like they can't move forward without you. They are feeling stuck with you. Lusty energies there, toxic energies there, basically obsessive energies there. They are heavily obsessing on you. Okay, your energy on the other hand, Gemini, is the Nine of Cups. Might be you are working on yourself and you are feeling happy and content about yourself, and you are feeling okay. Right now I'm in the zone of happiness. Right now I'm creating my own world, my own happiness. Whatever you are doing, you are feeling deeply satisfied with it, and with that energy, emotionally deeply satisfied, what I can feel. Or maybe because this person is obsessed now, maybe because this person is giving you all the attention that you desire for in the past. That is why you are feeling like this. That is why you are feeling content and happy, and this is kind of wish fulfillment energy that is happening with you in the coming week. Okay, how they see you as a chariot. They see you as a very very strong person, of strong character, strong nature. They feel like you're moving forward with your life in a very very determined way. You are not looking back, you are not looking here and there. You are just moving forward with a lot of courage and with a lot of strength in your life. And they are now seeing you as a very very powerful person. Okay, how you see them, this is the Ace of Swords energy. You see them as coming back to you and cutting out all the crap and cutting out all the negativity and toxicity from the past relationship, maybe, or from whatever happened in the past. So they are bringing you a fresh start, bringing you a fresh energy, bringing you a fresh perspective about this relationship. Okay, so you are seeing them seeing them as somebody who's coming to you with a fresh perspective, and they want to start a new chapter with you. Okay, what they feel about this relationship, the High Priestess. They are feeling like that you are hiding something from them. They are feeling like you are acting very secretive, or you are acting weird. Basically they are feeling like left out in this relationship. They are now, because they are obsessed with you, they are spying on you. They are judging each and every movement of yours. So that is why they are feeling like you are behaving odd with them. You are hiding something, or you are being secretive with them. They are feeling left out in this relationship, basically. What you feel about this relationship, this is the King of Wands energy. You are feeling very very passionate about this relationship. Now you are feeling happy, maybe you are content that this relationship is finally working out. This relationship is finally taking a turn for the good, the way you want it to be. The relationship is finally getting the way you want it to be. Okay, so basically you are feeling very very passionate. You are feeling very very good about yourself. You are working on yourself. You are working on your looks. You are working on your sexuality, sensuality, and you are passionate about yourself. You are passionate about this relationship in particular, with this person. Okay, what they want from this relationship, this is the Six of Pentacles energy. They want a balance in this relationship. They want equal give and take from you. So basically they are feeling that they are giving you a lot of energy and lot of attention, but you are not giving this energy back to them. So that is why they want to work on this, and they want a balance in this relationship. Okay, what you want from this relationship, you want Queen of Pentacles energies there. You are acting practical, so you want practicality from this relationship. I don't think you are emotionally very much involved in this relationship right now in this week. You want a stable and solid relationship with your partner. You want a long-term commitment from your partner. You want honesty and loyalty from your partner. Okay, and the outcome from their side till the end of Feb is the Page of Swords. They are heavily spying on you, Gemini. Whatever you are doing, they are spying on you. They are checking you online. They are checking your pictures. They are missing you a lot. They are checking your Facebook, Insta, or whatever you are on. So Gemini, they are heavily spying on you because they are feeling obsessed with you. They are feeling stuck on you. They are feeling like they are not able to move anywhere, but they are stuck on you only. Okay, I think you manifested this, Gemini, and this is happening finally. But I don't feel this obsession energy is good for you or for them. I don't know. And the outcome from your side is the Two of Cups energy. Wow. So I feel like you feel that this is going to be a very, very spiritual connection for you. This is going to be a loving connection for you. Maybe you will create this energy, maybe you manifested this, because this person is finally maybe coming back to you from from past. Maybe it can be a new person as well, but it can be a past person as well. You are going to feel a soul connection with this person, and by the end of Feb you are going to feel like in a soulful relationship with this person, in a solid relationship with this person, a soulmate connection with this person. Okay. And the potential outcome for this relationship is, till the end of Feb, is the Four of Swords. There will be a new start. Ace of Swords, I told you. One sword is upright here also as well. If you see in this position, it is like this. So Ace of Swords energies, there will be a new start, there will be a new beginning, but you have to contemplate it, you have to analyze everything, you have to see every pro and con before proceeding further in this relationship, because I feel like there is kind of obsessive energy present here. So you have to decide for yourself if you are ready for this or not. Okay, Gemini. And this is the guidance from the universe is the Three of Swords. If you are going through a breakup, or if you are growing through some kind of emotional loss, or you are in the past energy only right now, so basically the universe is telling you to heal from that first and then proceed further. If you are just doing it just for rebounding, or doing it just for the sake of a relationship, just don't do it. Take your own time, heal your heart, heal your feelings, heal your everything before proceeding further in any relationship in your life. And yeah, this is another card from the Oracle Love Oracle deck, and this is telling me the energy of the Phoenix is present for you. The Phoenix is telling me there will be a new phase, rekindle, renewed, transformation, growth, changed mind. Okay, this is the energy for you guys, for Gemini, till the end of Feb from 22nd. So yeah, read it aloud for 3-4 times, you will get the message along. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your love life till the end of Feb, Gemini. I hope you like it, and I hope it will give you some insight in your relationship. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you.